My name is Ashika Agrawal, and let's have a look at this problem. Find x in the diagram. This is a timer. We're going to find x. So we're going to do alternate interior angles. So if 3x is here, 3x is here. These two lines are parallel. And these two lines are parallel. We're going to, since here 3x is, we're going to extend this line and add 3x. So now 5x plus 3x equals 180, since a straight line is 180 degrees. So 5x plus 3x equals to 180. 8x equals to 180. X equals to 180 by 8. So this is 4, this is 90. This is 2, this is 45. This is 1, and this is 27.5. So x equals to 27.5. Bye.